The VFX fountain line delivers superior aerating performance, coupled with a beautiful visual display. These units are efficient, easy to install and operate, and can be used in multiple applications. They are available in half, 3/4, 1, 2 and 5 horsepower. 120-volt units available up to 1 horsepower. 240-volt units available in 3/4 on up. Operates in as little as 15 inches of water. 2-year warranty on units up to 1 horsepower and 3-year warranty on 2 horsepower on up. Package includes motor unit, float, bottom screen, control panel, with GFI protection, power cord, and mooring lines. Feel free to contact us for more information.